This tutorial shows how to customize your email notifications as an instructor. Control how you receive information by customizing your notification preferences. To begin, click your personal menu and select Notifications. Note: to enable notifications, you must set up and verify an email address. Control how you receive information about course activity by customizing your notifications preferences. Under Summary of Activity, select how often you want to get a summary of activity for each of your courses. Click on the Delivery Frequency drop-down menu and select Never, Daily, or Weekly. If you choose Daily, select the time you want to receive your summary notifications. If you choose Weekly, select the preferred time and day to receive summary notifications. Now, navigate to Instant Notifications. You can choose to receive an instant notification for different components of the course. In this example, we will select the instant email notification for the content sections. Select the boxes for which notifications you would like to receive. Note that if you enable notifications for discussions, you must also subscribe to topic forums and discussion threads to receive instant notifications. If you do not want to receive notifications for certain courses, you can exclude them by clicking Manage My Course Exclusions to disable the notification for certain courses. When you are ready, click Save. In addition to email notifications, you will automatically receive minibar update alerts when a new post or comment is made. Now you know how to control how you receive information by customizing your notification preferences. Thank you for watching.